Okay, so welcome to Marksman Machining and Fabricating. This is what I do. Right here, what we got here is an old Indian barrel we're going to machine out. Oversized 60 over. So on this setup, we have a counterbalance. The Indians have, since it's a flat head, you got your valves, so it gets very heavy, as you can see. Okay? You got that great big blob there, it's not centered. So by swinging it in the lathe, I have to counterbalance that, or I'll just shake like crazy. Now, as you can see over here, we've got a faceplate. It's all done, it's all machined, and it's bolted in place. And we dial it in here. I didn't go through all those steps because I don't want to take a whole bunch of time. So I've already done. Let's put that in gear. There we go. I've already done a setup cut, so I'm just going to roll it in here. And we're just going to bring her in. Oh, there we are. You can hear that. And we'll bring her in till she touch. Right about there. And now we'll just put it in gauge and let her run. You can watch that thing spin a little bit. Kind of boring for a boring job. There's our piston, 60 over. Looks like a tractor piston. There's a Hardy Eagle. See how much shorter it is, less rings? So right now I'm taking a rough cut. And I'm taking about 15 thou a side out. And I got another 10 thou to get it to size. So I'm going to take a rough cut, finish that off, and then I'll take a light cut to where I want it, and mic everything up, and then hone it out. So, now you know what I'm going to do. It basically does the same what you're looking at right now. So I don't want to bore you any farther, and we'll do another one sometime. Thank you for watching. Oh, if you want to see some of the machines that I run, go to Marksman Machines on YouTube, and you'll see some of the stuff that I do. Thank you.